going on, guys? Today I'm going to be sweating the bridge with LukAztec, the absolute best player in the entire world. Alright, let's get into it. You have an echo!
No, I don't.
Like, I heard myself. Probably one of the worst intros I've ever done.
No, that makes it good.
This should be free when they have the Pepe thingy above them.
Actually, that's mine.
Oh, that's embarrassing. I bet you feel really stupid right now. I have a guy. I just ran through both of them. I can't see anything. Your fat head is in the way. Sorry, I didn't mean that.
Your head's in the way. Sorry, I didn't mean that.
I feel like I can only block clutch in the bridge. I don't know why. And stop having an echo.
Don't you want to hear your beautiful voice twice? I can't let you carry this hard. This map's just so bad.
No, I'm gonna carry. Ooh, actually, no, you might get the goal. I accidentally fell. No, I mean, yeah, I accidentally fell.
I think you tried to fall so that you could give me some clout, but I'm dead now, so it doesn't matter.
Alright, well, GG's.
This guy's a bit laggy.
I don't know how I didn't fall in any of those holes.
WTF.
He's so mad.
Imagine being mad at video games. Couldn't be me.
Exactly. I've never screamed or anything in my entire.
Yeah.
What? Okay. Oh shit, we're against Three Sig 3 and I think we're straight.
Oh.
You're so good. You're so good.
Look, I'm bad at wall bridging. Okay,
You're
I'm trying to get
crazy. You're crazy.
No.
See you run and run into the void.
You're not keeping that in. You're not.
I'm keeping that in. I'm keeping that in. I'm keeping it in. No.
Okay, I just did a cool block glitch. Nice.
You're crazy.
Does that make up for my
No,
misplay?
no. I'm just gonna cut that part out and keep in your misplay.
Just like play that 3 times. Wow.
Just like every single
block.
start of the game. It's like just like the wrong map.
Blocking LukAztec scored with a picture of me falling in the void.
he got most kills with 1.
I'd probably smooch you.
Probably. Oh, I did 2 block
Fortnite.
extension the other day.
Alright.
Thank
Way
you.
to start conversation.
Oh yeah, I'm actually better than you. I forgot to tell you.
Wow.
We're too good.
Good
We're
fight.
insane. Good fight. How am I winning when I'm lagging? That's just embarrassing for them.
Because you teleport over to their base. Also, how are you just so fast? I don't understand it. Just fast.
I'm just
Like-
good. Yeah, I go. Wait, what?
Oh.
I
What
just,
do you mean?
I spam click on. I hate my life.
Little do they know I can just jump over there.
Yeah, I'm hard distracted right now.
But we're just down. We're just chilling down there, and they're staring at you.
Yeah, I think. Well, I'm in.
There you go.
What? I hate that glitch where like you're in, but then it says that you fall into the void. Like, has that ever happened to you? Like when you actually like jump in, but then you just
So
go
many
right
times.
through.
I hate when that happens.
I know. One time it happened
Right,
to me like
yep.
5 times in one game. I got so mad.
No, golds.
And
think
jump.
gold's
Oh,
the
what? What?
Gold's either the default or it is good. I don't know.
I'm so mad.
My ping, like I have high ping, but it doesn't really affect me. I don't know. Where's he? Okay.
Alright, I double extension.
How's it-
Okay.
Yeah, just blocked off their own.
Wait, what? I was in. What were their
They know what
plans?
they're doing. Okay, wow.
I don't think they know what they're doing, guys.
Yeah, I remember before the game, you're like, oh no, these guys are gonna be good.
Well, I thought gold was good, but I think it's like, man, this guy has like somewhat of a game games kill you're dead. That's like a popular one of those YouTubes.
One of those. Yeah, I know that's.
Alright.
Okay, I just got the achievement for the 3rd time. What the heck?
What is going on? I live. I'm dying. I live still.
Okay, there.
Alright. I was just trying to make my, Mission Impossible getaway. I die. I live.
I leave.
I feel like this recording is just gonna be a compilation of us going, I live and I die. I live! I die! Oh. No, he live. He live! How he live?
What?
I told you he live.
You definitely did.
I hard live. I
You
hard
live?
live. I hard live.
I hard carry. I'm obviously carrying right now.
I got a new title. Scuff bed wars with cavemen.
Caveman. Defeat Caveman.
I live.
Beat
I
caveman.
die. I live. He spawn block.
Huh?
He spawn block.
He spawn block?
He spawn block.
I know.
I want to
Why
run.
he spawn block?
I live.
feel a lot
I live.
farther.
Oh!
It's crazy. How? Okay, we're actually
He
insane
died.
today. What is happening?
If I got that goal, that would have been insane. Die! He died. He died. Both died. Both died. Go, 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 go. I jump.
Both die? Question mark?
I'm in. What? How did I die when I'm in? Green friend.
Okay. Tactical lag back up or not?
I control when I lie back.
No, I was trying to wall run. I mean, like, place blocks on me. Like,
I live.
And then teleport back. You live?
I live.
Oh, I thought that was the last goal.
No, 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 no. This last goal.
Oh, okay. I scored that goal now.
Oh, okay.
Oh
I
my
live.
gosh.
I live. I live. I live. I live. I kill both. Both dead. Both dead. Go. Go. This is probably the dumbest recording I've ever done.
I was just on. They just launched me on top of the base. That's awesome.